How to remove background in Photoshop. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial I'll show you how to remove the background from an image using Adobe Photoshop. This is super handy for creating clean visuals. Let's get started. First, open Photoshop and load your image by going to Files, Open. Select the image you want to edit and it will appear in your workspace. Next, go to the Quick Selection tool in the toolbar. You can find it by clicking and holding on the Magic Wand tool. If it's not visible, use this tool to click and drag over your subject. Photoshop will automatically detect the edges. For finer control, hold Shift to add more selection or Alt Option to remove areas. Once your subject is selected, click on Select and Mask in the top menu. And here use the Refine Edge Brush tool to smooth out the edges. Adjust the settings on the right until you're satisfied with the selection. Now with your subject selected, hit Ctrl+J or CMD+J on Mac to duplicate the selection onto a new layer. Hide the original layer by clicking on the eye icon next to it, and you should now see your subject with the background removed. And that's it, you've successfully removed the background in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.